Hi, this is Aadya,
And this is Yuktha.
and this is our app. It is a drawing app, and you could basically draw whatever you want in it. This is Yuktha. What she just showed was the change background color option. If you click on that, it gives you an entire ombre pixelated option thingy from you can choose colors, and it colors the entire background screen. Then there's the eraser, and you could actually erase part of the background off. Then there's clear screen, which completely clears the entire screen. There's a small pen, large pen, and a highlighter, which are just different types of pens, different, as you can see, different textures, we could call them, of different colors. Then there's seven different types, of colors, and you could just have fun drawing your heart out with them. Create a little rainbow and spread joy in the world. They have a default size. We coded this in Python, and we used the tkinter library. We imported the tkinter library for this, and now Yuktha will explain how it works.
So this was our first time using the library tkinter. Basically, the library helps us make a user interface that the user can use and interact with our application. This was our first time using tkinter, so we had a lot of weaknesses, but there were also a lot of strengths. We had prior Python experience, so I guess coding the app wasn't that hard, but it was still really difficult because we were using tkinter. Tkinter introduced us with many methods and just a lot of new commands that we really weren't familiar with. So a lot of tutorials came into play when we were making our app. I think our biggest struggle with making our app was probably, changing the size of the pen and how to get the user to actually draw using the pen when left click is on hold. It was really hard for us because we haven't really done any this is our first time making a user interface for our user. So it was just really difficult, but it took us a few hours actually to actually get it to work. So that was one of our weaknesses. Our strengths, probably I think maybe color. I think making buttons and labels were really self-explanatory, so we were able to get the user interface as in the actual graphics down. It's just the mechanical stuff as in drawing shapes, changing the color, changing the pen size. Yeah, that's basically it.
I think another one of our strengths was that we really know each other well, so we work great as a team, and we kind of we didn't really get frustrated at each other. We didn't get mad at each other. We kind of worked through it and talked it out instead of overreacting on not being able to do something, and we got through it together.
Yeah. I think that's it. I don't know if we mentioned this before. All this is in Python. This isn't our first time using Python. We're actually in a Python class right now, and Aadya and I have been using Python for a little while. So yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yep. So I think we're done.
It also took a really long time for us to arrange all the buttons. So
Yeah.
we hope you how organized it is.
Yeah. Arranging the buttons were actually it took a long time. It took at least 2 hours to arrange all of the buttons.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoy our project. And yeah. Yep. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.